This channel receives millions of views and generates thousands of dollars as well. It features the simplest content ever found on YouTube, all created by AI. Each video takes only 6 minutes to produce and is guaranteed to gain significant traction. Today, I'll unveil the instruments and strategies used by individuals to generate income within this niche. Pay close attention and don't skip any part of this video, as every detail holds great significance. Now, let's dive right into the content. To get started, we need to analyze the videos our competitors are producing. It's evident from their recent videos, which have garnered millions and hundreds of thousands of views, that this niche is incredibly popular. This gives us the confidence that, with a high probability, will attract a substantial viewership. We're now prepared to commence the video production process. The first step involves visiting Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate images for our content. In this case, I'll be using Midjourney, but you have the option to use Leonardo AI or similar services. Our objective is to create unique images featuring 8 Marvel superheroes in unusual situations. For example, let's say I'm searching for a realistic full-body image of Iron Man with a burger celebrating his birthday from Marvel with HDR2 settings. Now, Midjourney is in the process of generating an image for us. After a brief wait, we receive 4 different images. I've decided to go with this particular one, so I'll proceed to download it. You'll need to repeat this process 7 more times since we require a total of 8 images for a single video. Now that we have our images ready, we can move on to the next step, which involves going to canva.com. Here, we will create the final versions of the previously generated images. Start by clicking on Create a Design and select Presentation with a mobile-first layout. Then, choose Uploads and upload the images we obtained from Midjourney. Our objective now is to add a smaller version of a superhero at the bottom of each image. To accomplish this, we will need to find images of each character in PNG format. To begin, I'll use Google to search for suitable images, such as Iron Man. I've chosen the one I like the most, so I'll proceed to download it. Next, I'll visit Remove.ug. Here, click on Upload Image, and there it is. Our image is now in PNG format. You'll need to repeat this process 7 more times, or you can start by downloading pictures in PNG format from the beginning without using Remove.ug. After a while, this process will become much easier, and you'll only need to download these images. Now, let's return to Canva and upload them by clicking the Upload button. At this point, we need to work with each character and arrange them as shown in the previous example. This is what the final composition should look like. Don't forget to save each picture by clicking on Share and then Download. This part of the process is now complete, and we can move forward. The next step is the editing process, for which I'll use CapCut, an almost free video editor. Let's click on Import and add all the essential images we've created. Select all of them and place them on the video track. However, we've missed something crucial. We don't know the desired length of our video. So let's return to YouTube and download a video from our competitor's channel. To do this, I'll add SS in the video link just before the word YouTube. This will take us to the right website, known as Save From. Great! Now that we're on savefrom.net, we can download any YouTube video we need by simply clicking the download button. After a short wait, the video is successfully downloaded, and we can return to CapCut to create our own video. Back in CapCut, let's add the recently downloaded video. Now, we notice that the desired length of our video should be 16 seconds, while each clip we have is currently 5 seconds long. This means we need to reduce the duration of each clip to 2 seconds. Let's proceed with these edits. Moving on to the next step, we should add some music and incorporate smooth transitions between each clip. You can use the music from the downloaded video or any other music of your choice. To extract the audio, add the video clip, right-click on it, and select Extract Audio. You can then delete the video clip and place the extracted audio beneath our images. Now, all that's left to do is add transitions. Click on Transitions if it shows like this. Don't worry, just use any VPN and it will work fine. Now select any transition you like and place it between all the clips and set its duration to 0.6 seconds. Your video should now closely resemble the one we downloaded. Our task here is complete, and now we just need to download this video. Click on Export and then select Export once more. Finally, we only need to create a new YouTube channel and upload our video. If you've just created a new Google account, follow these steps to create a YouTube channel for it. Click on Create a Channel, and the channel creation process will be completed. Regarding branding, I'm confident that you can handle it on your own, as there is many videos already available in YouTube. Our sole task now is to upload the video we've created. To do this, follow these steps. Open YouTube Studio, click on Create, then Upload Videos. Select the video file you want to upload and click Upload. Now, let's work on the video's title. You'll need to craft your own title based on the topic of your video. For instance, my idea is Burger Birthday Celebration Marvel Characters, so I'll use that as my title. You can simply copy the rest of the settings from my example and it should be sufficient. After a while, your video will be ready for publishing. I recommend selecting Schedule and choosing a date that suits your convenience. Then, click Schedule to set the publishing date for your video. Congratulations, our task here is complete, and we've successfully uploaded the video. With this example, you can easily upload many similar videos simultaneously. In conclusion, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your content creation endeavors.